Looking for a gaming mouse that won't drain your wallet but still delivers top-tier performance? You're in the right place. In this video, we're comparing the best budget-friendly gaming mice that offer great features without the hefty price tag. Stick around to find out which one deserves the title of Best Budget Gaming Mouse, and I'll reveal the winner at the end. Let's jump right in. Number 6, Logitech G 203 LIGHTSYNC Wired. First up, we have the Logitech G 203 LIGHTSYNC, a fantastic budget option, especially for FPS gamers. Weighing 84.6 G, it's a wired mouse that ensures super low click latency, making it ultra responsive for fast-pacing gaming. The ambidextrous design is perfect for fingertip grip users, and the customizable RGB lighting with multiple zones adds some flair to your setup. The G203 offers excellent tracking precision, making it a solid choice for FPS games, ensuring you don't miss a shot in high-stakes matches. While it's slightly heavier than some of its competitors and the rubber cable could be more flexible, the overall performance is strong, and its price point makes it an excellent value. For those who prefer fingertip grip and don't mind the added weight, this mouse is still an excellent performer in this price range. If you're seeking reliable performance and a customizable design, the G203 should be on your list. Number 5, Cooler Master MM720. Next, we have the Cooler Master MM720, a real standout in the budget gaming space. At just 52.2 G, this ultralight mouse is designed for precision, perfect for fast movements and FPS games. It features an ergonomic design and a honeycomb shell that reduces weight without compromising durability, giving it a sturdy feel despite its light frame. The high-quality glide from its smooth PTFE feet ensures that you can make swift, accurate movements with ease, while the customizable buttons allow you to adjust the controls according to your preferences, whether you're playing casually or competing at a high level. However, it may not be the best fit for larger hands, and the wired connection might not be appealing to those who prefer wireless setups. Even with these considerations, the MM720 provides exceptional value, especially for gamers who want precision and comfort in a lightweight form. If you're a fan of lightweight, agile mice for fast-paced games, this one is definitely worth considering. Number 4, Logitech G502 Hero. Moving on, the Logitech G502 Hero is a top-tier choice for gamers seeking high performance without paying a premium price. This wired mouse is packed with useful features including an ergonomic design, customizable weights and programmable buttons which help enhance control during intense moments. The adjustable weight feature allows you to tailor the mouse feel, making it ideal for different gaming styles and preferences. It also offers a sniper button, which provides precision when you need it the most in FPS games. While the G502 Hero excels in build quality and performance, it might be too large for smaller hands, and the weight may be a bit much for some use. Additionally, the stiff cable can cause drag during movement, but it still provides an excellent overall experience. If you're someone who prefers a wired connection and wants to fine-tune your mouse for your specific needs, the G502 Hero offers versatility and high-end features without the hefty price tag. Number 3, Logitech G305 LIGHTSPEED Wireless. If you're looking for a wireless option, the Logitech G305 LIGHTSPEED is a great choice. It features a symmetrical design that is suitable for both left and right-handed users, making it a versatile option for gamers of all preferences. Powered by a single AA battery, this mouse offers up to 250 hours of use, making it ideal for long gaming sessions. The G305 also boasts excellent sensor performance, providing low latency and precise tracking that is especially beneficial for FPS games. However, the G305 is a bit heavier compared to other lightweight options, and it may not be the best fit for users with larger hands, which could make it less comfortable for extended use. Despite this, the wireless functionality, long battery life, and responsive performance make it an excellent budget-friendly option that rivals more expensive wireless mice. If you want great performance with the added convenience of wireless functionality, the G305 is hard to beat in this price range. Number 2, Corsair M75 Wireless. The Corsair M75 Wireless is an excellent choice for casual gamers looking for a solid and comfortable mouse. Its ambidextrous design ensures that both left and right-handed users can enjoy the same level of comfort and control, while the impressive battery life of up to 65 hours means you won't have to worry about constantly recharging. The RGB lighting is a nice touch, adding a bit of style to your setup, and the customizable side buttons provide added flexibility for gaming and productivity. However, the M75 Wireless has a lower max polling rate compared to some premium options, which may affect performance for esports level play. Additionally, the price may seem a bit steep for the performance it delivers, but it's still a solid investment for casual gaming enthusiasts. If you're not aiming for competitive gaming but still want a wireless customizable mouse with long battery life and comfortable design, the Corsair M75 is definitely worth considering. Number 1. Razer Viper V3 HyperSpeed. Finally, we have the Razer Viper V3 HyperSpeed, which stands out as the best budget gaming mouse. With wireless connectivity and ultra-low latency, this mouse is built for competitive gamers who want to stay ahead of the competition. The symmetrical design suits medium to large hands, providing a comfortable grip for extended gaming sessions. The sensor performance is top-notch with exceptional click latency and responsiveness, making it a fantastic choice for FPS games. The battery life lasts up to 280 hours, which is impressive for a wireless mouse, ensuring you can game without worrying about running out of power. However, the Viper V3 is slightly heavier than some of its competitors, and its mechanical switches aren't as fast as optical ones, which could be a downside for some gamers. Nonetheless, the performance, comfort, and price point make it an outstanding option for budget-conscious gamers. If you're after top-tier wireless performance without breaking the bank, the Razer Viper V3 HyperSpeed is a must-try. And that wraps up our comparison of the best budget gaming mice. What do you think? Did your favorite make the list? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details, and if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share it with your gaming friends. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!